So Telesin has a new auto tracker, and this thing is a monster. Follow me and I'll tell you more. I mean, I feel like I'm talking in circles. Any more terrible puns? I can't keep track of them all. Get it? It's auto tracker.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. So don't be a stranger. Links to everything will be in the description, plus a coupon code and a surprise link, so I dare you to click it. And if you can reach this one right here, ooh, that'll mean the world to me. So this is the Telesin Little Monster Smart Auto Tracker. And remember, this was the last auto tracker that Telesin made, and I did a video on it, and it actually got a lot of views, and it seems like a lot of people bought it. But let's just have a look at this monster. You can tell why they call it monster. It is substantially bigger than the original auto tracker, which is kind of nice because it's got a little bit more weight to it, so when you put it on your desk, you don't have to worry about it toppling over. It has a built-in phone holder, so you can easily just slide your phone in there, just ready to go, or you can also do it in portrait mode. And if you don't like that angle, you can also just adjust the tilt of it with this mechanism right here. Now, one thing I do love about this design is it comes with its own little custom screw thread mount, so you can just pop that right in there. That way you could put like a GoPro or Action 2 or even the Insta360 One X2. Wait, why would you have a 360 camera on this? Never mind. There is like a hidden button right here to power it on and off, and also just pause the tracking if you don't want it to track for a second. It has a runtime of up to 8 hours. And also it has a screw thread on the bottom so that you can connect it to a tripod or some other mount. Now, because this auto tracker doesn't run from an app, it just uses an HD camera right here to capture your motion, to kind of auto track your face. So you can put any camera on there and yeah, it will track you as you walk around. But I think this is perfect for those content creators that are shooting everything on their own. Maybe you're a cooking channel, maybe you're in a garage doing some work and you want it to follow you around there. Also, if you're doing live streams, this is great for live streams. You know, you just pop your phone on there and it will follow you around as you're going live and walking around your room. And it's a really cool effect, and I think a lot of your viewers will think it's really cool too. It also does come with your USB-C cable for charging and a remote. However, this remote is a little bit different. This one just controls like your phone or your GoPro, so you can just hit the button so it starts recording and then hit it again to stop. But one thing with the old Telesin Auto Tracker is the remote had a couple more controls to it, and you can also start a moving time lapse, like where it spins around. Is this perfect? Well, no. I mean, it's not like a $1,000 auto tracker. This is a $50 tracker that does a really good job, but you know, sometimes it can lose you if you get too fast or too far, or maybe other people jump in your shot. But that's it. If you're interested, make sure you do check out the link in the description. It's a cool little product, and I'm gonna be using this, especially for live streams. But thanks again so much for watching, and man, you guys have been amazing at helping this channel grow. A lot of new subscribers, so I really appreciate that. But I have a lot of other really cool products to review and some more fun videos to make, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.